Hello, my name is Caitlin, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create an account, browse and inspect inventory, place bids online, and finally payment and pickup options here at Trucks and Auto Auction. Registering with us is free and easy. It allows you to save items, sign up for reminders on auctions and vehicles you are interested in. However, you don't need an account to browse any auction inventory. To make an account, simply click the Sign Up/Login button at the top. Here you'll have two options: log in with the previous account you have already made, or register and fill out the information below. Once you're done making your account, make sure to check the box at the bottom for "I agree to the terms above," then push register. Next, you will receive an email to confirm your new account that you made. As soon as you're finished, you'll be prompted to put in your debit or credit card information. However, if you choose not to put in your banking information and would like to put it in later, don't worry, you can still receive all of the benefits with your new account. Just keep in mind, when you do find that special vehicle, you will need to provide your banking information so you may place any bids. Congratulations! Now you can start bidding on vehicles or items in any one of our online auctions. Here at Trucks and Auto, we release inventory catalogs 1 week prior to the close of any auction. During this time, you can browse the inventory catalog online and set reminders so you stay up to date. We also give you 2 days to come down and preview all vehicles or items in person. Preview days are only available the day before and the day of any auction, whether it's our sister store in Nampa, Idaho, or our main location here in Pasco, Washington. For example, in Pasco, Washington, our online auctions are on Tuesdays, which means preview days are Monday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Tuesday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the live auction starting at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Our Nampa, Idaho location has auctions on Thursdays, which mean preview days are Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Thursday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with the live auction online starting at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Let's talk about placing bids. As soon as an online auction catalog goes live, you may place a bid on any vehicle or item in that auction. However, to stay competitive, be sure to enable email and text alerts to be notified if you've been outbid on any vehicle or item that you bid on throughout the week leading up to the close of our online auctions. This ensures you have plenty of time to place another bid and not lose your opportunity to win. Now let's talk about the last 12 hours left in our online auctions. This part goes extremely fast. At this point, you better have all of your ducks in a row because this is where 70% of people start bidding. But don't worry, because if you're watching this, that means you will have the knowledge and understanding on how to bid smart and have the best chance at winning big. Here are some things to keep in mind. Number 1, make sure your banking information is up to date in your account. Number 2, the day of auction night closing is the most important time to be involved in looking to see if you are still the winning bidder because you can be outbid at any point. And number 3, winning back your position as top bidder. Let's break this down. The first one is your vehicle or item still may have a good amount of time before it hits the main stage, which is called the auction block. So depending on if it's more in the front or the back, you could have more time to get another bid in. The second one is your vehicle or item is on the auction block, aka the main stage. If it's here, that means you better act quick because if you lose top bidder position, you only have 30 seconds to re-up your bid. However, keep in mind that every single time someone places a bid on a vehicle or item that is on the auction block, it will automatically restart the countdown back to 30 seconds. This can go on for 4 minutes or longer depending on how many people are bidding on one particular item. When all of the time has ran out on your vehicle or item you were bidding on and it says you were top bidder, congratulations, you have just won your first online auction bid. You will receive an email or text that you have just won a bid. Then you will receive the full invoice and payment instructions to the vehicle or item you have won. These emails will go out as the auction closes. Last but not least, let's talk about payment and picking up your purchase. All purchases must be paid in full by 4 p.m. 1 day after the online auction you participated in. We would appreciate if you could pick up your vehicle or item 3 days following the auction unless prior arrangements are made with our team. We also do not offer any in-house shipping of any vehicle or items purchased in our online auctions. However, if you hire a vehicle transport company, please contact our team and we will work with you to facilitate the pickup at one of our locations. Well, that's it. Now you can bid with confidence, knowing all the ins and outs of how our auctions work here at Trucks and Auto. Happy bidding, and we'll see you soon.